My jaw dropped. The new GPU price doubled overnight. When I screamed, the tech CEO just pointed at his AI robot, blaming it for the insane cost. We are getting ripped off. Look at these charts. Tech giants show costs skyrocketing. They blame AI, claiming it hogs every single chip. The result? Your next PC will cost a fortune. Are you ready to pay the price? Now, gamers pay the price. Tech giants redirect precious silicon chips straight into massive AI servers. With supply choked, next-gen console prices are skyrocketing. Your gaming setup just got a whole lot more expensive. Tech giants rake in record billions, yet they refuse to drop hardware prices. Furious gamers are walking away. Instead of upgrading, they are streaming games on the cloud or buying used gear. The rebellion has begun. Desperate to justify sky-high prices, tech giants are cramming useless AI chips into every device. But consumers aren't buying the hype. The internet is exploding with rage. We don't want your bloated features. Now, watchdogs are hunting down price gougers. Tech giants blamed AI for skyrocketing costs, but regulators aren't buying the excuse. Now, massive lawsuits are hitting them hard. The corporate shield is cracking. Now, tech giants are striking back. They threaten to kill all future consoles, claiming government price caps will destroy innovation. If they stop, gamers get stuck with outdated tech forever. Script right, no stickman. Word count 35. Text, tired of corporate gatekeepers locking down your gaming? These rogue developers are rewriting the rules. They're building open-source consoles from scratch, giving power back to the players. The revolution is happening right in their basements. Now, the tech giants are striking back. Corporate lawyers are flooding courts with massive lawsuits, desperate to ban custom hardware. They want to crush open-source creators and lock down their profits before they lose control. Then, the developers leaked the secret blueprints online. Within hours, millions downloaded the files. The corporate lawyers stood no chance. You can't sue the entire internet when the cat is out of the bag. Giants woke to nightmare. Cheap, home-built rigs flooded streets, running on stolen blueprints. Corporate monopoly did not crack, it shattered. How could tech giants compete with free? Silicon Valley is in absolute chaos. Tech giants are panicking, slashing hardware prices to rock bottom to beg you to come back. Will these desperate discounts save them, or is it already too late? We're done with their cheap, lockdown plastic. Corporate giants want control, but open-source tech hands the power back to us. Together, we're building a new gaming future, piece by piece, line by line. Across the globe, gamers are sharing free hardware blueprints, bypassing the tech giants entirely. The old gatekeepers are losing their grip as open-source gaming becomes the new global standard. Power is shifting back to the players. Look at this. We built this console ourselves, completely free from their control. The choice is yours now. Will you join the open-source revolution, or will you keep paying the corporate ransom?